Education is the most important pillar for the development of the country. In 1947, at the time of independence, our country's literacy rate was just 12%, and our current literacy rate is 74%. There are many states in India where the literacy rate is not even 40%. But there is a reason to be proud of our country, India. In the past 10 years, India has achieved some major factors which help us to go some steps up in the list of developing nation. Hello friends and welcome to Classify. In today's video, I am going to tell you top 10 most educated states and union territories in India. Number 10 on the list is Andaman and Nicobar Island. The current literacy rate of Andaman and Nicobar Island is 86.27%, which is 4.97% more than 2001 census. Next on the list is Delhi. Delhi, the capital of our country, and it is on number 9 on the list of top 10 most educated states and union territories in India. The current literacy rate of Delhi is 86.34%, which is 4.64% more than the 2001 census. Number 8 is Chandigarh. The literacy rate of Chandigarh recorded in the census 2011 was 86.43%, which is 4.49% higher than data recorded on 2001 census. Next is Pondicherry. The literacy rate of Pondicherry state is increasing very fast. This union territory occupied the 8th position in census 2001, but currently it is on number 7th. The current literacy rate of Pondicherry is 86.55%, which is 5.31% more than 2001 census. Number 6 on the list is Daman and Diu. Earlier, the rank of Daman and Diu was 9th in the list of top 10 most educated states of the country, but there is a drastic increment in the literacy rate of this state. The current literacy rate of Daman and Diu is 87.07%, which is 8.89% more than the 2001 census. Number 5 is Goa. As per the data of census 2001, Goa got the 4th position in the list of top 10 most educated states of the country. But it has lost its position and came down to the 5th position in a very surprising manner. The current literacy rate of Goa is 87.40%, which is 5.39% more than 2001 census. Next on the list is Tripura. Tripura has done an exceptional job in bringing itself from rank 13 to rank 4 in between the census 2001 to census 2011. The current literacy rate of Tripura is 87.35%, which is 13.56% more than the 2001 census. Number 3 on the list is Mizoram. Mizoram slipped down to the 3rd place from the 2nd place in the list of top 10 most educated states in the country. The current literacy rate of Mizoram is 91.58%, which is 2.78% more than 2001 census. Number 2 is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep was at 3rd position, but it has stepped in the 2nd position in the interval of census 2001 to census 2011. The current literacy rate of this state is 92.28%, which is 5.62% more than 2001 census. And the number 1 is Kerala. Kerala has never lost its position and it is still holding top position firmly for the decade. Kerala is clearly the most educated state in our country. The current literacy rate of Kerala is 93.91%, which is 3.05% more than 2001 census. Kerala is also growing steadily, and the state behind Kerala in this list should compete dedicatedly with Kerala so that India can earn good position in the world ranking of the most educated countries in the world. That's it for this video. Thank you for spending some time with us. Make sure to like and subscribe so you will never miss a video. Thank you for watching this video and we will see you back tomorrow.